less than 24 hours. Here is Radulov. Across, Ben, behind the net, a wraparound, scored! Jamie Benn, welcomed back to the lineup, and he puts the Stars in front.
Wowza. Well, what the Stars have been able to do here in the third period that they haven't been able to do much in these two games is use the width of the rink. And they did it on the Cogliano goal, and they did it twice on the Jamie Benn go-ahead tally here. Nice patience by Jamie. Had Reimer holding his pipe. On his forehand, he's able to wrap and rattle it. You know, the rink wide, there's some room. Those were being cut off continuously. Instead, they go zigzag, rap daddy.